The LS engine makes a really nice platform for doing these transplants, engine transplants. The power that you can make out of these things is ridiculous in some respects. It's fairly simple to put a 4-inch crank in a 6.0 block, and with a set of L92 heads, naturally aspirated, makes 600 horsepower. My name is Peter Guy. I own and operate Peter Guy Racing Engines in Fresno, California. Primarily I build racing engines and fabricate. Made my reputation in engines doing big horsepower 91 octane marine motors, and do a lot of LS motors for sandrails, custom cars, race vehicles, etc. When I grew up in New Zealand, I completed my apprenticeship as an automotive engineer. When I came to the United States, I ended up working for a company called Performance First Marine doing turbocharged custom motors for boats. Moved into some boat racing engines and competed myself in Grand National Endurance Circle Boat. I've always liked the 55, 56, 57 Chevs. My grandparents had a 55 Chev, so it's always been a vehicle that I've wanted to build. Flat Out Engineering provided the Corvette conversion. So it has Corvette front suspension and rear suspension on the stock 56 chassis. Should handle, steer, and stop way better than the original 56 suspension. Replaced the transverse leaf spring from the Corvette C5 suspension with coilover shocks from Aldan. The motor's out of a 2008 Silverado. We did a camshaft change on it, bolted the Holley accessories on it. The motor on the dyno made 460 horse from the original 310 horse